Friends, hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can share your call recording audio files on iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to make sure you subscribe to the channel before watching this video. And also put your likes, write your comments, and let's go ahead, friends. If you have previously made a recording of some call on your iPhone, then you know that all such recordings are saved in the Notes app. If you may have wanted to share such a call recording, maybe there was something very important in it, then to do so, open Notes. Then you will need to find such a call recording and go to it. Now on the top right, click Share and choose where you would like to share it or with which person you would like to share it. As you can see, there is a lot of choice here. These are WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, also Telegram, messaging, and so on. And the second method is how you can share such notes without even opening it. To do this, click and hold on it and select to share. This way, you will go to all the same functions and you can send such audio file to anyone. That's it, dear friends, very easy and quick. You will be able to share call recording audio files on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon.